Good morning. The lawyer profession was considered to be Lord's profession because it was the Lords who started uh, participating in judicial process before the king courts. Thereafter, one of the Lord resisted for the conclusion and wanted to defend the accused. So this is the way profession. But in India also, the almost lawyers' participation in restoring democracy process, independent uh, wars, and later on in restoring the aggressive attitude of so many persons in defeating the constitutional mandates. See, in the year 2016, our High Court has passed rules uh, under the powers conferred on the High Courts to regulate the practice of advocates. And they usurped the power of Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Bar Council of India and Advocates Act, Disciplinary Act, the section 35. And that was challenged before the Supreme Court. And Supreme Court, while striking down as ultra virus, they said rules uh, elaborately discussed so many international judgments, international conventions, which uh, declared the importance of advocate in rendering and administration of justice. I would like to read the judgment AAR 2000 AAR 2019 Supreme Court 849 R. Muthukrishna was Registrar General. Advocates Act Section 34(1) Rules of High Court of Madras 1917 14A 14D inserted by notification dated 25/5/2016. So they said, and they have struck down the rules 14A to 14D. They say certain paragraph I would like to read the description of 14A to D were discussed there. They have discussed about Praveen C. Shah vs. K. Muhammad Ali 2001 AR 2 SC 3041. They say held that the debarring the advocates for misconduct in courts are thus permissible. In ex-captain vs. Harish Uppal vs. Union of India year 2003, they said the courts have power to debar advocate on being found guilty of contempt. So this judgment has distinguished from contempt proceedings and other proceedings under disciplinary committee's powers. Then they say the Mahipal Singh versus Rana State of UP AR 2060 SC 3302, they requested the Law Commission to prepare a report to regulate the professional bodies. Strikes, boycotts, abstaining from court works, all these things were discussed. They say the legal profession cannot be equated with any other traditional profession. They say it is not commercial in nature and is noble one considering nature of duties to perform and impacts on the society. Then they say role of bar in the legal system is significant. The bar is supposed to be the spokesperson for the judiciary as judges do not speak. Then they say the bar is an integral part of judicial administration. It is the joint responsibility of the bar and the bench to ensure that equal justice is important to all and that nobody is deprived of justice due to economic reasons or social backwardness. There is no room for arrogance either for a lawyer or for a judge. And they say finally, the protection of the basic structure of the constitution and of rights is possible by the firmness of bar and bench and by proper discharge of their duties and responsibilities. They say the role of lawyer is indispensable in the system of delivery justice. The high values of noble purpose have to be protected by all concerned at all costs in all circumstances, cannot be forgotten even by the youngsters in the fight of survival in formative years. Says a litigant has right to be impartially advised by a lawyer. Advocates are not supposed to be money guzzlers or ambulance chasers. They have also discussed about Alexander Cockburn. Weapon of the advocate is the sword of a soldier, not the dagger of association. Assassin. Sorry. Bar association must be self-governing, is globally recognized. They have discussed about UN Basic Principles on Role of Lawyers, published in 1990. Then Special Rapporteur Diego Carga finds that associations should be independent and self-governing because they hold a general mandate to protect the independence of legal profession and the interest of its members. These all are the major things. The Conference of Presidents of Law Association in Asia, and that was and also the Queensland, Australia, several things were been discussed. You kindly go through the entirety of the judgment. Lawyers who formed and fashioned the American Republic had the independence of mind and heart unparalleled by any subsequent generation of attorneys in America. That is about America. The independence of the bar from judicial precedent and from the fear of the judiciary. Supreme Court of Canada wrote eloquently in Canada that independence of the bar from state in all its pervasive manifestation is one of the hallmarks of free society. International Bar Association President Task Force was constituted to examine the question of independence of the legal profession. Judicial independence ensures that lawyers are able to carry out their duties in a free and secure environment where they are able to ensure access to justice. The members of the bar are recognized as intellectuals of the society. Then lot of things were discussed. It is the duty of the barrister to stand between the subject and the crown and between the rich and the poor, powerful and the weak. It is necessary that while the bar occupies an essential part in the administration of justice, barristers should be completely independent and work entirely as an individual, drawing on his own resources of learning, ability and intelligence. Thereafter, they have discussed about this section 42, 35, 34 of Advocates Act. And then they have also the letters patent of the chartered high courts as well as other high courts earlier did vest power in those high courts to admit an advocate to practice. That was the earlier provision. Our Advocates Act has been brought to force to regulate the enrollment of advocates. And finally, they have struck down, stating that and another thing was they have discussed about Ashok Leyland as the state of Tamil Nadu, AR 2004, SC 28 about the interpretation of subject to must be given effect to. Furthermore, the expression subject to must be given effect to as a liable, subordinate, subservient, inferior, obedient to, governed or affected by, provided answerable for. So that should also be looked into. Finally, they have struck down the rules framed by our High Court. Kindly go through the judgment all stalwarts of our High Court. Uh, this profession all over India also. Best wishes.